Hello everyone, struggling to get your Crosley record player to turn on? Don't worry, in this video we will walk you through quick and easy fixes to get your turntable spinning again. Let's bring your music back to life. Check that the power adapter is securely plugged into both the outlet and the record player and try a different socket to rule out power issues. Make sure the volume knob, which acts as a power switch, is turned fully clockwise and clicks on replace it if faulty. If the player still won't turn on, inspect the fuse and internal wiring or contact a technician for further help. Why Crossley record player won't turn on? A Crossley record player won't turn on due to issues such as a faulty or incompatible power adapter, problems with the power supply or a voltage rectifier circuit, a blown fuse, a defective volume knob which act as a power switch, or an internal wiring defect. Fix 1. Check the power source and adapter. Ensure the power adapter is securely plugged into both the record player and a working electrical outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another device to confirm it has a power. Use only the original or compatible power adapter recommended by Crossley. Using an incorrect adapter can prevent the player from powering on or cause damage. Fix to inspect the power cord and adapter for damage. Examine the power cord and adapter for any visible signs of wear, fraying, or damage. If the cord or adapter looks damaged, replace it with a new one that matches the specification of your Crossley model. Fix 3. Use the volume knob to power on. Many Crossley record players use the volume knob as the power switch. Turn the volume knob fully clockwise to turn on the player. If the knob feels loose or doesn't click on, it might be faulty and need a replacement. Fix 4. Contact Crossley support or professional repair. If none of the above steps work, the problem may be with the internal power supply or circuit board. Contact Crossley customer support at 1866 Crossley 1866 276 7539 or submit a report request online. Consider professional repair service if your player is out of warranty. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.